Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have what you need. Open Files and go to Browse. First, pick where the file will live. iCloud Drive keeps it synced, on my iPhone keeps it local. Once chosen, tap the new folder icon, name it, and enter the folder. This creates a clear place for the file. Now use the share sheet from any app or tap the three dots in Files to create a new document. Make sure the name is descriptive so you can find it fast. Once the folder exists, create the file content. Open Pages, Notes, or another editor and compose, type, paste, or insert images. When ready, tap Share, choose Save to Files, then select your target folder. This moves a copy into Files. Alternatively, tap the three dots inside Files and choose Create Document to start a plain document directly. Make sure to check the file name and location before saving, because that controls syncing and future access across devices. Finish by verifying the file appears in the folder you selected. Open it once to confirm the content saved correctly. If it doesn't show up, make sure iCloud Drive is enabled in Settings and you have enough storage. Toggle Wi-Fi or sign out and back in if syncing stalls. If a file was accidentally deleted, check Recently Deleted in Files or re-export from the original app. Finally, rename or move the file as needed, because organized folders make future edits effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.